Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I'll be creating this print pattern. So my channel is Spinkly, and on Spinkly I create different types of videos, and for today's video I'm gonna be creating the zebra print pattern, which is basically gonna be used for products on my store or wallpapers or stock photography. As you can see, I start on a white piece of blank paper or canvas, and I'm using Procreate today, and I'm basically using a freehand, using an iPencil on my iPad Pro, and I'm basically just drawing out lines diagonally, basically eyeballing the distances, and just, you know, some of the lines are going up to the end of the piece of canvas, while others are just barely touching the surface and reaching halfway. That's how I usually see the zebra strokes of the designs I've seen online, and I'm just duplicating some of those and just trying to make it look nice by keeping the distances somewhat similar. Some are a bit bigger than others, but you know, we do what we do. And then after that I color the parts of the alternative parts of the zebra, which is, as you can see, and correct the parts that I don't like and just add the different strokes that I can, so it didn't look too off. And you know, this is usually how we see the zebra stripes, you know, normally black and white. And yeah, basically that's how you do the zebra print. If you do duplicate your own design and create somewhat something similar, do feel free to share yours, tag me, and yeah, you can follow my Instagram accounts. I did color them so that I can have different variations. I'm just sharing them so that you can see what other backgrounds I came up with the same design. And that was what I used for the different alternative backgrounds. I thought they were pretty, they were cute. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for checking it out, and do remember to check out products on my store on the description below, and remember to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.